Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Bank of Harlequin River app to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about the Bank of Harlequin River app gives customer easy access to essential banking features like checking balance, transferring money, paying bills, deposit check, and sending funds with Zelle. It also offers real-time alert and a clean, user-friendly design with high rating on both iOS and Android, showing the most users find it reliable and convenient for everyday banking. On the downside, some users report slow performance, login delay, and issues with verification codes, and a few advanced features like downloading statement are also missing, and Zelle integration isn't always seamless. So in my conclusion, the Bank of Harlequin River app is still worth using if you are already a customer and you want a simple mobile banking on the go, but it is not the most feature-rich option out there. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.